The critical practice of conducting a test spot is an important step in the entire paint correction process. Essentially, it provides us with the opportunity to assess the current state of a vehicle's surface and make a determination as to which optimal pad and liquid combination we will use to get that defect-free, glossy, clear finish we're looking for. Typically, the outcomes of a test spot will fall into one of three categories. Number one, complete success, where we've removed all defects and are free to continue on to the rest of the vehicle. Number two, partial success, where defects are gone, but there are still some minor imperfection or hazing, prompting us to make a slight adjustment in our pad and liquid combination. Or number three, unsuccessful, which is a clear indication that our selected product combination is not aggressive enough to address the defects. To conduct a test spot, reload your primed pad with polish and adhere to a standard polishing application protocol on a small section of the surface. Evaluate the results and make adjustments as necessary. If needed, refine the approach and conduct a new test spot on a different section of the vehicle until the desired outcome is attained. Ultimately, the test spot serves as a cornerstone for refinishing our technique and attaining a great finish. Whether confronted with hard or soft paint, every vehicle poses its unique set of challenges, underscoring the critical nature of this preliminary step. The goal is to identify which liquid and pad combination gets the desired result in one step. This gives you maximum efficiency that can only be determined by doing a test spot, especially when it comes to the RUPES Bigfoot polishing system.